I'm Deputy Principal of Blackpool Aspire Academy. Blackpool Aspire Academy came together as an academy from Bispham High School and Collegiate High School. We moved into this brand new school, but it's a brand new school that did not have any shelter for students when the weather turned poor. So a priority for us in the school was to create a shelter. Working with consultant architects, the consultant architects went through the procurement process with us, found a number of quotes, and then decided on, or suggested to us, that we look to A&S. And the service, the quality of build, the whole project so far with A&S has been absolutely fantastic. I wanted a large shelter for our students, and I was very pleased with the drawings I received from A&S via the consultant architects, showing what a 38 by 6 metre structure would look like. It came within budget, and I decided to go for that. But the way in which A&S have started the build is really superb. The quality of the groundwork, the way in which the columns have been erected, and now the rafters are going in, and the polycarbonate. I am very pleased with the overall quality of the design and the construction. The A&S contractors have been absolutely fantastic. They are keen, they have worked well with our site staff. I am very, very pleased with the way in which the structure is looking now. We're now seeing a shelter coming about which is exceeding my expectations.